Dear ladies and gentlemen, imagine a day when the vast ocean is not just a passage for ships, but also becomes sustainable farms feeding millions, while preserving the marine environment's beauty. In China, the smart aquaculture industry is turning that vision into reality, from massive offshore floating structures to AI-controlled life support and management systems. Every step is calculated to both increase output and protect the environment. This is not only a major leap forward for the aquaculture sector, but also a move that could reshape the entire future marine economic landscape. First, let's head to Guangdong Province, where smart aquaculture is gradually revolutionizing the entire marine industry. And at the heart of this change is the Zhangdu 1 platform, located off the coast of Zhuhai City. This massive structure covers an area equivalent to 7 football fields and stands as tall as a flight, containing 30,000 cubic meters of water dedicated to aquaculture. Thanks to its semi-submersible design, the platform can withstand strong winds and waves, and additionally, a remote monitoring system combined with automation significantly reduces labor needs, thereby cutting operational costs and lessening environmental pressure. Not only that, Zhang enables sustainable production of high-value fish without overburdening coastal waters. As China aims to enhance food security, green and smart aquaculture projects like this play a key role in balancing economic growth with ecological protection. Fish growth rates are optimized through a real-time data collection system on temperature, oxygen levels, and feeding habits, while AI continuously adjusts farming conditions based on fish behavior. Going further, the platform's energy is supplied by solar panels and wind turbines, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Waste is also filtered and recycled to keep the water clean. And with better controlled farming environments, disease outbreak rates drop significantly. Beyond production, Zhang serves as a research hub where local universities and marine scientists collaborate on site to test new farming techniques. Thus, this platform not only creates an efficient smart fish farming model, but also paves the way for application in many other coastal regions across China. In Fujian Province, smart fish farming has breathed new life into the yellow croaker industry. This precious fish was once on the brink of extinction due to overfishing, but has now strongly revived thanks to strict management and advanced technology applications. Government-supported modern farming facilities have completely replaced old, polluting systems with cleaner and more efficient setups. Moreover, the use of eco-friendly materials, combined with smart tools, has helped farmers maintain stable water quality, ensuring healthy fish stocks while minimizing disease risks. Thanks to these improvements, the farming environment is better maintained. Fish nutrition is optimized, and both productivity and product quality have increased significantly. Therefore, Yingde City has become a model example of smart fish farming in China, both restoring and conserving high-value aquatic species while protecting the ocean environment. Next is the emergence of GORSIN-1, the world's first floating fish farming vessel, comparable in size to an oil tanker. With a length of nearly 250 meters, width of 45 meters, and a capacity of 90,000 cubic meters, dubbed a fish farming aircraft carrier at sea, GORSIN-1 can produce up to 3,700 thanks to its closed-loop farming system, use of renewable energy, and automated monitoring, marking a major breakthrough and opening a new chapter for China's smart fish farming industry. Operating mainly in the East China Sea, the vessel features 15 advanced farming tanks. With a total volume of 90,000 cubic meters equipped with a 3D water circuit, it helps keep seawater fresh and, thanks to oxygen, it simulates the natural ocean flow almost perfectly. As a result, the economically valuable yellow croaker has grown healthier, with fewer diseases and faster growth. An intelligent sensor system continuously monitors parameters like temperature, salinity, oxygen levels, and fish health 24/7, while feeding is fully automated and adjusted in real time based on the behavior of the fish school. Not only that, Wushen-1 also has the ability to move to avoid storms or environmental fluctuations, helping reduce pressure on coastal ecosystems by moving aquaculture activities offshore. An advanced waste treatment system ensures the water environment remains clean, while the crew on board also conducts research to further improve aquaculture efficiency. With all these factors, Ocean One has set a new global standard for open ocean aquaculture, proving that large-scale sustainable aquaculture models can thrive on mobile high-tech platforms that far exceed the limits of traditional onshore systems. In Linjiang City, Fujian Province, deep-sea aquaculture farms are reshaping how the Chinese approach fish farming. Unlike traditional coastal farms, these facilities are specially designed to operate offshore, where seawater is cleaner and ecosystems are less impacted. They are built to withstand storms and large waves, while integrating technology to monitor fish health, oxygen levels, and water quality in real time. This allows farmers to operate remotely without needing to be present daily. Moving aquaculture activities offshore not only helps protect coastal areas from overexploitation and pollution, but also plays a key role in China's green food supply chain initiative, focusing on marine food security. Over 1,000 kilometers away in Yantai City, Shandong Province, the new generation of intelligent deep-sea aquaculture farms is rapidly advancing China's high-tech fish farming industry. Here, giant floating cages up to 68 meters in diameter are equipped with sensor systems, automatic cleaning mechanisms, feeding, and growth rate monitoring. Modern technology helps maintain the natural marine environment while ensuring daily operations are precise and efficient. Since 2021, the live fish released from this area has tripled, signaling a leap in production. By analyzing data to optimize each step, these modern farms reduce waste, cut labor costs, and enhance product quality. This success shows that combining smart systems with modern techniques can scale aquaculture while protecting marine ecosystems, making it one of the world's exemplary models of sustainable marine fish farming. As you have seen, across China's coastal regions, high-tech aquaculture models are proving that clean and efficient seafood production can be both profitable and environmentally protective. China is now the global leader in this field, contributing 1/3 of the world's total farmed seafood output. Unlike traditional farming, which relies heavily on manual labor, today's farms are equipped with 24/7 intelligent monitoring systems, automatically adjusting feed, controlling water quality, and tracking the health of each fish school. This ensures a stable supply of protein from fish and seafood, meets strict environmental standards, and significantly reduces disease risks. Notably, China excels not only in output but also leads in technological innovation. Many projects have deployed deep-sea aquaculture vessels, mobile seafood factories hundreds of meters long that can move to clean waters for fish farming. On board, AI systems calculate optimal feed amounts, record weather, currents, and water temperature data to adjust farming conditions appropriately. In provinces like Shandong, Zhejiang, and Guangdong, logistics infrastructure has been greatly upgraded from fishing ports and cold storage to new research centers, ensuring seafood products are not only fresh but also fully traceable throughout the farming process. Coastal residents are trained to use fish school management software, monitor real-time data to avoid overfeeding and reduce waste. Some models utilize solar and wind energy to operate systems, lowering costs and emissions. Thanks to these steps, China's smart aquaculture model is gradually becoming a reference standard for many other countries. Not limited to coastal areas, China is expanding its vision offshore by developing large-scale farms that simulate fish's natural habitats. Instead of concentrating in crowded nearshore waters, these farms are located in open seas with less human impact and more stable environments. The system includes giant cages that can withstand meter-high waves, integrated with sensors to monitor oxygen, salinity, growth rates, and automatic feeding. This promotes healthy fish growth while minimizing environmental waste. This approach also avoids harming coastal ecosystems like coral reefs, tidal flats, or underwater grasslands. These ecosystems are highly sensitive. With its offshore strategy, China's aquaculture industry is entering a new phase, achieving sustainable, large-scale production while maintaining ocean balance and conserving biodiversity, meeting growing seafood demand as wild fish stocks continue to decline. Beyond its strengths in aquaculture, China's achievements in crop cultivation. This is a rapidly changing story, even reshaping how we sow seeds, harvest, and bring food to the table. Imagine, on vast, endless fields, no longer the shadows of hand plows or people irrigating as before. But instead, drones sowing seeds from above, robots harvesting crops with precision, and layers of intelligent data guiding every move. This is no longer science fiction, but daily life on modern farms across China. As spring arrives across provinces, smart agricultural machinery has begun bustling, with unmanned tractors replacing traditional plows and sprayers. GPS-guided seeders ensure each row of seeds is sown perfectly straight, while drones apply pesticides and fertilizers with precise accuracy, and drones spray pesticides and fertilizers with precise accuracy. Drones spray pesticides and fertilizers with precise accuracy, and drones spray pesticides and fertilizers with precise accuracy. Drones spray pesticides and fertilizers with centimeter-level precision. Thanks to technology, field preparation has become more accurate, saving time, reducing fuel, and importantly, cutting labor effort. In many places, satellite navigation systems help tractors follow precise paths, avoiding wasted seeds or farmers no longer have to stand in the wind all day. Instead, they can monitor the entire process right on their phone screens. Mobile apps provide data on machine performance, planting progress, soil quality, moisture, and temperature. With this information, they know exactly when to fertilize, water, or adjust planting schedules. Some farms even use AI to predict weather and provide optimal farming schedules. In Chongqing, a mountainous region in southwest China, smart agriculture is attracting young people. Many students participate in live drone courses, operating machinery and using farm management software. There, young farmers simply sit in the shade, lightly tapping screens to control pesticide spraying equipment, check soil moisture, or observe crop growth in real time. Smart agricultural systems not only increase yield but also ensure sustainability. Thousands of hectares of wheat in Henan buzz with the sound of harvesters from early morning until late evening. Over 11,000 harvesters running in parallel are GPS guided precisely to each row, leaving no ear of grain behind. Field service stations set up near the fields are ready to refuel and maintain machinery for continuous operation. Farmers here say half the harvest work now takes less than half the time compared to before. Not only wheat in Shenzhen, but vast cotton fields stretching for kilometers are also undergoing transformation. Previously, cotton harvesting was very labor-intensive, requiring hundreds of workers. Now, just a few robotic cotton pickers can complete it efficiently in a few days. Automatic irrigation systems also help save water and maintain ideal moisture for crops. Cotton farming is no longer the arduous, human-reliant work it once was, but has become a scientifically calculated process based on data and modern technology. On cotton fields, modern sensors continuously measure soil moisture and nutrient levels, and immediately alert farmers when fertilization or watering is needed. In the sky, unmanned drones sweep over each cotton row, detecting pests early, checking leaf color and health, helping prevent damage before it spreads. Thanks to the collected data, chemical use is significantly reduced. This change is a clear demonstration of how China's smart agriculture is reshaping rural life, making work more efficient, precise, and less reliant on manual labor. Not only with cotton, across grain-producing regions, farmers are also relying on unmanned drones and smart harvesters to optimize yield. These devices not only spread fertilizers evenly but can also target the smallest pest hotspots, avoiding waste and protecting crops. On the ground, smart sensor systems continuously monitor moisture, telling farmers exactly when and how much to water, saving water and reducing operational costs. Simultaneously, local teams of engineers and agricultural experts always guide farmers in using digital tools most effectively. Thus, productivity remains stable even when weather is unpredictable. In Daoyuan, Zhejiang, a modern egg-laying chicken farm is becoming a highlight of smart agriculture. Phase 2 of this project is operational, producing over 1 million eggs daily. The entire process, from feeding chickens to controlling temperature and ventilation to monitoring flock health, is operated by an automated system. Even egg collection and packaging require no human hands. Helps ensure hygiene and achieve maximum efficiency. These advancements demonstrate that in modern agriculture, success comes not only from doing more but also from doing smarter. A direction that helps China build a sustainable marine food system, safe and adaptable to all future fluctuations. China's smart agriculture is changing the face of their countryside day by day, from inland regions to offshore seas. In Shaanxi County, Jiangxi Province, poultry farms applying automation systems have significantly reduced operating costs while also creating many stable job opportunities for local residents. The number of workers at the farm is fewer than before, but productivity has increased thanks to computer-controlled temperature, humidity, and feeding equipment. The closed-loop, clean, fast, and stable process has proven that agriculture and technology can indeed combine to bring dual benefits, both increasing income and ensuring long-term food safety. On Hainan Island, the rubber cultivation industry, which has existed for hundreds of years, is entering a promising new chapter. Smart rubber tapping machines developed by China are designed with near-absolute precision, cutting at the exact angle and ideal depth on the tree trunk, thereby not only yielding higher latex, but also causing less damage, extending tree lifespan, and significantly saving labor for the people. This technology is quickly gaining recognition, attracting agricultural experts from 9 countries, with tropical climates to visit, test, and learn on site. Many expressed surprise witnessing the operation, calling it a breakthrough step in the global rubber production industry. With these improvements, rubber growers in Hainan can enhance product quality, meeting export standards without increasing the heavy workload as before. Not limited to rubber trees, the smart agricultural revolution is also spreading to Jintang County, Sichuan Province. This is a rare mushroom, Moro mushroom, also known as sea belly mushroom, which has helped many small households become wealthy, smart, and natural in production. These smart farmers have turned this place into an advanced, natural, and efficient production area. Also known as sea belly mushroom, this mushroom has helped many small households become genuine rural billionaires. This mushroom is planted in winter, grows quickly, and has economic value many times higher than traditional crops. Thanks to the application of smart cultivation processes from soil moisture monitoring to scientific crop rotation plans, Moro mushroom production now brings in over $1 billion in revenue annually. Some farmers report that during harvest season, they can pick over 100 kilograms of mushrooms per day, then dry, package, and distribute them throughout China. This is not only a success story about technology but also proof that knowledge, rational planning, and preserving traditional values can coexist and complement each other. From rubber plantations in Hainan, tomato and precious mushroom beds in mountainous areas to offshore fish farming projects, China has shown that smart agriculture can develop harmoniously on both land and ocean. Each project not only generates profits and improves people's livelihoods but also contributes to building a sustainable production ecosystem, something many countries around the world aspire to achieve. Dear viewers, after all, the country of billions has shown a picture of its agriculture and marine economy changing day by day. If you found today's story interesting and useful, please subscribe to the mystery_core_TITOVN channel, explore, and turn on notifications to not miss future videos. Thank you for accompanying us throughout today's program. Please subscribe to the mystery_core channel to watch upcoming videos. Goodbye, and we wish you all the best of health.